How to fix only one AirPod is working. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix only one AirPod is working. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your AirPod is clean. So to do that, you just simply open your AirPods and then take the two AirPods out. Then make sure to get a Q-tip like this one or get a cotton pad and apply alcohol on it. So once you have applied alcohol or any liquid that you want, make sure to clean the AirPod like this one on this part right here as well, and then on this part. Also do this same things to the other AirPod as well. So, then try again connecting your AirPods to your iPhone, and then that should work. However, if it still doesn't work, do also take note that there should be a green light right here or right here. So whichever model of AirPod that you have, there should be a green light instead of the orange light. So what I would suggest as well is to make sure that you place your AirPods for at least 30 minutes or at least a 1 hour on the charging case, and make sure as well to charge your AirPods since there might be a problem when it comes to the power of your AirPods. So make sure to get a charger, and then I'll get a charger first, and then connect the charger on the bottom part of the AirPods, and then make sure to see that there is a um, blinking light right here, the yellow light, I mean the orange light. And then again, you should wait for at least 30 to 1 hour or until this light will turn green. And then you should pair your AirPods once again to your phone, and then that should work. However, if these steps still doesn't solve your problem, what I would like you to do is to simply go to the nearest Apple or Mac center in which you may be able to ask for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix only one AirPod is working. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.